Fedora and Manjaro are two Linux distributions with different release models and target audiences. Fedora is a stable, modern distribution with controlled updates. Manjaro is a rolling release distribution based on Arch Linux, offering newer software faster but with less predictable updates. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both distributions. Fedora is the safe but modern option. It feels clean and stable immediately after installation. Software is up-to-date but not bleeding edge. Updates feel controlled, reducing the risk of unexpected breakage. Fedora is well suited for development work because many Linux tooling environments run smoothly on it. The distribution is built with a serious workstation mindset. The main downside is that users may need to perform extra setup for certain media codecs or drivers, though this is typically a one-time process. Manjaro is the rolling release option that provides newer software faster than Fedora without requiring a manual Arch Linux installation. Updates are constant, delivering newer kernels, drivers, and applications sooner. This is beneficial for gaming and newer hardware. Manjaro also includes user-friendly tools for driver management and system configuration out of the box. The trade-off is that because the system is always moving, updates can be less predictable if users do not stay on top of them. Key comparison points. Release model. Fedora is a point release with regular controlled updates. Manjaro is a rolling release with continuous updates. Software freshness. Fedora is up-to-date but stable. Manjaro offers newer software faster. Stability. Fedora is more predictable and less prone to breakage. Manjaro can be less predictable due to constant updates. Ease of setup. Fedora may require extra steps for codecs and drivers. Manjaro includes more user-friendly tools out of the box. Target user. Fedora suits users who want a stable, consistent workstation. Manjaro suits users who want the latest software and more freedom to tinker. Recommendations: choose Fedora if you want a stable, consistent, set-it-and-forget-it distribution. It is best suited for developers and users who prioritize reliability over having the absolute newest software. Choose Manjaro if you want newer software all the time and are comfortable with occasional update unpredictability. It is best suited for gamers, users with newer hardware, and those who enjoy tinkering. Conclusion: Fedora is the stable, consistent workstation. Manjaro is the rolling release with newer software and more flexibility. The choice depends on whether you prioritize stability and predictability, or access to the latest software and a more hands-on experience.